Epilepsy is a neurological disorder that affects the brain. It is characterized by recurrent seizures, which are brief episodes of abnormal brain activity. These seizures can cause a wide range of symptoms, from brief periods of staring to prolonged convulsions. Epilepsy affects people of all ages, races, and ethnicities. It is one of the most common neurological disorders, affecting about 1% of the population worldwide. With proper diagnosis and treatment, most people with epilepsy can live full and productive lives. Understanding the condition and available treatments is crucial for effective management. This information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional for diagnosis and treatment. The exact causes of epilepsy are not always known, and it is often a complex interplay of factors. In many cases, epilepsy is thought to be caused by an underlying brain injury or abnormality. Some common causes of epilepsy include genetic factors. Some types of epilepsy run in families, suggesting a genetic predisposition. Head injuries. Traumatic brain injury can lead to the development of epilepsy. Brain tumors. Both benign and malignant brain tumors can cause seizures. Stroke. Interruption of blood flow to the brain can damage brain cells and trigger epilepsy. Infections, certain infections such as meningitis and encephalitis, can cause inflammation in the brain and lead to seizures. While these are some of the leading causes, it's important to note that epilepsy can sometimes occur without a known cause. This is referred to as idiopathic epilepsy. Seizures are the hallmark of epilepsy, and recognizing their symptoms is crucial for seeking prompt medical attention. Seizure symptoms can vary widely depending on the type of seizure and the part of the brain affected. Some common symptoms of seizures include staring spells, brief periods of unresponsiveness, often accompanied by blank stares, jerking or twitching movements, involuntary muscle contractions that can affect a small part of the body or the entire body. Loss of consciousness, a complete loss of awareness, often accompanied by collapsing. Changes in sensation, unusual smells, tastes, sounds, or visual disturbances. Cognitive or emotional changes, confusion, fear, anxiety, or déjà vu. If you or someone you know experiences any of these symptoms, it's essential to seek medical attention immediately. Early diagnosis and treatment of epilepsy can significantly improve long-term outcomes. The primary goal of epilepsy treatment is to control seizures and improve quality of life. Treatment approaches vary depending on the type of epilepsy, seizure frequency, and individual patient factors. Common treatment options for epilepsy include anti-seizure medications. These medications work by reducing the excitability of nerve cells in the brain, thereby preventing seizures. Surgery. In some cases, surgery may be an option to remove the area of the brain where seizures originate. Vagus nerve stimulation. This involves implanting a device that sends electrical impulses to the brain through the vagus nerve, reducing seizure frequency. Ketogenic diet, a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has been shown to reduce seizures in some people with epilepsy. Treatment for epilepsy is often individualized, and finding the right treatment plan may require trial and error. Close collaboration with a healthcare professional is essential for optimal seizure control and overall well-being. Living with epilepsy can be challenging, but there are many coping strategies that can help individuals manage their condition and live full and meaningful lives. Some helpful coping strategies include: educate yourself and others. Learn as much as you can about epilepsy and share your knowledge with family, friends, and co-workers. Join a support group. Connecting with others who understand the challenges of epilepsy can provide emotional support and practical advice. Manage stress. Stress can trigger seizures in some people, so finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial. Get enough sleep. Sleep deprivation can lower the seizure threshold, so prioritize getting adequate sleep. Avoid alcohol and drugs. Alcohol and drugs can interact with anti-seizure medications and increase the risk of seizures. By adopting these coping strategies, individuals with epilepsy can take an active role in managing their condition and improving their overall well-being. While the terms epilepsy and seizures are often used interchangeably, it's important to understand the distinction between the two. Epilepsy is a chronic neurological disorder characterized by recurrent seizures, while seizures are a symptom of epilepsy. A seizure is a sudden surge of electrical activity in the brain that disrupts normal brain function. Epilepsy, on the other hand, is a condition characterized by a tendency to have recurrent seizures. To put it simply, having a seizure does not necessarily mean someone has epilepsy. Seizures can occur due to various factors, such as high fever, low blood sugar, or alcohol withdrawal. However, if an individual experiences recurrent seizures without a clear underlying cause, they may be diagnosed with epilepsy. Seizures are classified into two main categories: focal seizures and generalized seizures. Focal seizures originate in a specific area of the brain, while generalized seizures involve both hemispheres. Focal seizures, simple focal seizures, cause changes in sensation or movement without loss of consciousness. Complex focal seizures involve changes in consciousness and repetitive behaviors. Generalized seizures. Absent seizures cause brief periods of staring and unresponsiveness. Tonic-clonic seizures involve stiffening of the body, followed by jerking movements. Understanding different types of seizures is crucial for accurate diagnosis and treatment. Epilepsy is a complex neurological disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. By understanding the causes, symptoms, and treatments of epilepsy, we can help reduce the stigma associated with this condition and improve the lives of individuals living with epilepsy. Early diagnosis and appropriate treatment are essential for managing epilepsy and reducing the frequency and severity of seizures. With proper care and support, most people with epilepsy can live full and productive lives. It's crucial to remember that epilepsy is not a sign of intellectual disability or mental illness. By promoting epilepsy awareness, we can create a more supportive and understanding environment for individuals and families affected by this condition. Please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on health and wellness.